you are a person that just wants to use FTX and you want to know why. So here are the important highlights for using FTX. No withdrawal fees, except when withdrawing Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, or small amounts of Bitcoin. No minimum transactions, so let's say you want to trade 1 cent of Bitcoin, you can trade 1 cent. There are no ACH fees, dollar cost averaging is easy, you can set up recurring buys that may be daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, or monthly. There is an NFT marketplace that allows you to buy Ethereum or Solana based NFTs without having to pay gas fees. That can be expensive. And every time you trade at least $10 worth of crypto on the app, you get 1 free coin. Pretty good. FTX also partners with some exclusive events like Coachella. You can buy a Coachella NFT and get some premium perks at the event. Now, with the FTX app, you can track your portfolio from other crypto exchanges, non-FTX exchanges, and you can also manually add coins to your portfolio from a list of over 10,000 coins. As a news guy, because crypto is all about the latest news, with the coins you have in your portfolio, the FTX app will also provide you news in its signals section, so you can stay up to date on your investments. Also, you should know that nothing in this video is financial advice. No investments are being endorsed. This is just a tutorial so you understand how to get full value from using FTX. So feel free to hit that like button and watch until the very end. Getting started with FTX. The FTX app is a simplified version of the trading app FTX US and FTX Pro. Yes, there are 3 different versions. FTX, that's for everyone, formerly known as Blockfolio, FTX US, US residents, and FTX Pro International, that's everybody else. Now you should also know this video is sponsored by FTX US. They are one of the largest exchanges, and FTX has millions of users that allows them to trade crypto, NFTs with no gas fees, and in the near future, stocks. But you should also know the FTX app can be used for FTX US or FTX International users, so this video applies to everybody. And there will be referral links in the description if you don't already have one of those 3 FTX accounts. Setting up. First, you'll need the FTX app. You can go to blockfolio.com and click through to the App Store from there. I recommend going to the official site because sometimes scammy apps might place ads in the App Store and try to trick you into signing into a fake app, and you can put your funds at risk that way. That's one of the first lessons in crypto. Be very cautious. New users. If you're brand new to FTX, you can create a new account and it only takes a few minutes. Now you will have to go through KYC, that means know your customer, and that's a term you'll hear in crypto a lot, which really means identity verification. You will have to provide some personal information to FTX. Don't worry though, it's safe and a common thing you have to do when registering with any financial service in the US. Adding funds. So now with your account set up, you want to start trading or investing, you need some funds. And you can add that through several different methods: a bank transfer, a debit card, wire transfer, or simply by sending cryptocurrency like Bitcoin to your account. So for myself, my preference is bank transfer via ACH, and we can do that. If you are a new user, you may have a deposit limit, so you can increase that over time. How to deposit funds into our FTX account. So we are going to hit deposit. We can do any type of deposit here. I'm going to do a bank transfer because that is an ACH transfer and I'm more comfortable with that. So I do have more than one bank set up here because Capital One always fails, and this is for Capital One in general. It's not FTX because Capital One just doesn't work with Plaid or Google Pay with other technology. Just a heads up, Capital One, you need to improve. So I'm using Chase as an alternative. I would also recommend Charles Schwab because they have no fees. Just a heads up. Always trying to squeeze in that full value for you. So we can deposit pretty much any amount as low as $2. So let's say we want to deposit $2, we'll be able to trade with that instantly, and there is a deposit fee of 50 cents. But if we deposit at least $100, and you can see here there is no deposit fee. So If you want to save on those fees, try to deposit at least $100 when using FTX. So we can do that. It's as easy as hitting slide to submit, and we'll be able to start trading immediately with those funds that we just deposited. So we'll give that a moment. Processing deposit. Good. Trade now. Oh, see, we can start trading. So here we go. Back at the homepage of FTX, you can see that our US dollar amount is $111.39. That's because I just deposited $100. Now, I just want to give you a little overview of this page. This is the home page. You'll be able to see your balance, how you've been doing over the past 24 hours, and then the coins you're holding. So I'm holding US dollars, Polygon, Solana, a little bit of Brazilian digital token, Tron, Compound Tether, Shiba Inu, and that's because anytime you make a $10 trade on FTX, you get a free coin, and that free coin can be anything. And as you can see, I got Shiba Inu, I got a little bit of Compound Tether, I got Tron, I got the Brazilian digital tokens. So this is what's in my wallet. You can see that here. And if we scroll further down, we can see the tradable assets. There is quite a few, and that's just for crypto. There's also NFTs and fiat. So we can also trade different currencies. We want some euro, Australian dollar, Canadian, British, Swiss, Hong Kong. You have quite a few options, but this is a crypto video, so we're going to focus on that. How to withdraw from FTX. So that is another lesson you'll need to know in case you want to move funds back into your bank account. So just hit withdraw, and we can withdraw anything here. So we're going to withdraw US dollars. Otherwise, these other options, we would be withdrawing cryptocurrency, and that would be sent to another cryptocurrency address. So if you want to withdraw back to your bank, you're going to have to sell your cryptocurrency for US dollars. And after you do that, from the withdraw funds section, you'll be able to select US dollar, and then we can do a bank transfer. So you see bank transfer, and I can withdraw all the US dollars I have available back to my bank account. And if you want to withdraw cryptocurrency, that's also very easy. Just select withdraw from the home page, and then you can select the cryptocurrency you have available. I'm going to use Solana for example, and we can withdraw my Solana. So I'm going to withdraw 1 Solana, and then it's going to provide me a field where I can input the Solana address. So if I want to send it to my Solana account or somewhere else, I just have to input that address, and I can easily withdraw those funds. Now, the really cool thing about withdrawals with FTX is they're free. There are free withdrawals for all coins except for small amounts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens. Now, if you are withdrawing an Ethereum or an ERC20 token, the withdrawal fees are still pretty low. So just a heads up, FTX does take care of its customers. How to trade crypto on the FTX app. So we have some US dollars to play with, and we can trade that for some cryptocurrency. Now, I'm just going to be using one of these cryptocurrencies as an example. This is not financial advice or an endorsement of the coin. This is just how to use the platform. So we can go down to the tradable assets section, we can select crypto, and we can see the different cryptocurrencies available. So we can select any of these. Let's go with the king of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I'm going to go to Bitcoin, and if I want to buy some Bitcoin, just hit that big buy button there, and we can buy that with US dollars. So that's the default section at the mid left, and we can change that if we wanted to buy that with the other assets we have available in our account. So let's say you have some Polygon or you have some Solana in your account. You can use that to buy the Bitcoin. So it's going to say buy Bitcoin at the top, and then you can use your other coins to make that purchase. You don't have to trade Matic for USD, then USD for Bitcoin. This is all simply done through the FTX app, so you can directly change between any type of asset available on the platform. Now let's go back to the homepage and restart that process. I'm going to scroll down to tradable assets. I'm going to select Bitcoin. I'm going to select buy, and then I'm going to have US dollar selected by default. The maximum I have available is displayed here at the top left, and I can buy the maximum amount just by selecting max. So that's going to show how much I have available, and I can use all of that to buy Bitcoin instantly. Next, I'm going to select review, and then it's going to show me the Bitcoin price. It's going to show that I'm buying with US dollars and that I'm spending the balance of USD in my account. So all I have to do, slide to submit, order has been filled, and now I have some Bitcoin in my account. So it says I earned Doge, so I traded more than $10, I was eligible for a free coin, and I got 1 Dogecoin. That's pretty good. So it's like a little rebate. So now that we bought some Bitcoin, we can see it in our account. If we go to the home page at the top and we scroll down, we can see my US dollar balance. There is nothing displayed there because I used it all. We go down to Bitcoin. I have $110 worth of Bitcoin. Now, whenever you're trading on FTX, there is no fees, but there is a small price spread, which is why we had 111 US dollars, but now we have $110.81. So just be aware of that. How to sell your Bitcoin. So from the home screen at the top, we're going to scroll down to Bitcoin. Instead of hitting buy, we are going to select sell. So we can sell as much as we want. And even though the number is very small, 0.0027, it's still over $100. So it can be significant. Even though the number seems small, it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a big number. So we can sell as much as we want. We don't have to sell all of it. You know, I can select max to input all of it, but I can also edit that. I can edit the number. I can put in any amount I want. I can sell 0.00002 Bitcoin, and I can review that. I'm going to sell it for US dollars, and it's going to give me 79 cents. So you don't have to sell hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. You can buy and sell cents. So FTX just makes it very simple with no limit to how much you want to trade. You can trade a penny, you can trade a dollar, $1,000, $10,000, whatever you're comfortable with. You can do that with FTX. It is available for everybody. And now we are going to sell 79 cents worth of Bitcoin for US dollars. Slide to submit. Quote expired, try again. It's because I kept talking for a while. It's just going to refresh the quote so we have a fresh Bitcoin price. And let's try that again. I'm not going to talk too long there. Order instantly filled. We're done there. And now we have some US dollars back in our account. I'm going to hit the back button at the top left. And you can see US dollars, 79 cents. And my Bitcoin has gone down just by 79 cents. So that is how you buy, sell, withdraw, deposit on FTX. Portfolio tracking. So by default, your portfolio is in your FTX account and it's just my wallet. So that is your FTX portfolio. But at the very bottom where it says track, we can go there. We can create portfolios from other platforms, other wallets, and the FTX, formerly known as Blockfolio, this app allows us to do that. So you just hit this plus sign at the bottom right, and then we can add coins, over 10,000 different coins. The large cryptocurrency exchanges are available, so you can connect your account, and then you can see your account balances through the FTX app. So that makes it easy to track your portfolio. I'm personally tracking my portfolio in the FTX app, but I'm not gonna show it to you because I don't want you to ape into any of these coins. I just want you to learn how to use this. Now, if you do add your portfolio, you do get something very cool. You get news. So you go to the news section, you see signals, and the signals is a curated news feed of the coins you have available in your portfolio. So some of these coins I have in my portfolio. We can see Solana news, Ethereum, Engine, Nexo, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Having that news is very valuable because you can follow all the latest updates for the projects you're investing in. And then you have general news as well, just the top headlines of what's happening in the crypto space. FTX also has a marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs with no gas fees. So from the homepage, we're going to scroll down, we're going to go to tradable assets, we're going to select NFTs, it's going to default to crypto, we're going to select NFTs, see all collections. And now we can see all the different collections available through the FTX app. So these are NFT collections that are available on Solana or Ethereum, and we can buy, trade, and sell these all with no gas fees. So the FTX app just makes it very easy to browse collections, invest, and just see what's going on in the NFT space. Now, once again, I am not endorsing any of these, but yeah, please do your own research before making an investment and form your own opinion. And now you are an FTX Pro. Congratulations! If you want to get started with FTX, or if you're ready for FTX US or FTX.com, the international global version, there are referral links in the description that will get you your full value. If this video has been helpful, feel free to hit that like button, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, and with that, I hope you got your full value for today.